my channel. Today, I'm gonna do a Pikachu makeup look with fun colors since that cute Detective Pikachu movie came out and he's so cute and fluffy and I just want to make a Pikachu makeup look. So yeah, let's get started. So the first thing I'm gonna do is put on some foundation. Gonna go ahead and put that on my face. And blend it all out. Have you guys seen this new Pikachu movie? Oh my gosh, it is the cutest thing ever. Or that one video of him just dancing that you can literally put to any music and he'll just dance. Oh my goodness, it's so cute. We're gonna go in with some concealer. We're gonna put it under the eyes and that sort of stuff. You know what I mean? So like, boop, boop, along the nose, on the acne, because we got a lot of it lately. Yay, joy. Little on the forehead. A little over here, just because. And blend it out. We're gonna be Detective Pikachu. Well, not Detective, we're gonna be Pikachu. We're gonna look like real Pikachu. Pika Pika! And it's gonna be so kawaii and cute. Next, I'm gonna go in with some contour. Go ahead and chisel out to my cheekbones, because, you know. Oof, oof. We are looking fabulous, if you know what I'm saying. Yes. Next, we're going to go ahead and contour your nose. Where's the... I like to use the eyebrow brush for the nose. I don't know why. I just do. I like to do a very, like, good contoured nose. Yes. Okay. Gonna put on some blush finally. And then we get to the fun part. We get to the blush. The blush, the blush. This is lovely. Now we're gonna do the fun part. We are gonna get some yellow. See, we've got this yellow and we've got this yellow from these two palettes. I'm kind of digging the I Love Mochi one more. So let's get out. We have these brushes. Where's the... What the... Oh, here it is. Okay, we got this brush. And we're gonna go in with the yellow like Pikachu. And we'll see how this looks. Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be such a cute look. Yes. Yeah, just go ahead and put some yellow eyeshadow on your lid. I like to put, like, a lot. But it's not really... Maybe I should go for a more gold look, too. We can try that. So it should look something like this. Then, next, I'm going to go ahead and get out the Too Faced Chocolate Gold palette. I just bought this. And we are going to go for, well, the chocolate gold shade. Go ahead and put that... No! No! I got some makeup on my Pikachu! No! No! Ugh. That is the saddest thing. Maybe I should remove them. Yeet! Get out of the way. I don't want anybody getting hurt. No! Okay. Now we're on back of safety duty. Okay. Yes, now we're going to go in with the chocolate gold shade. And get some of that gold for Pikachu. Oh my gosh, yes! It smells so good and it's so gold. And I look like Pikachu. And I look like Pikachu. I think maybe I'm gonna attempt to draw a Pikachu on my face. So here we go. It kind of getting there. It looks like a rabbit instead of Pikachu. Oh, this is the cutest thing ever. Oh my god. There you have it, folks. I drew a Pikachu on my face. Woo! Ta-da! So then, I went ahead and put on some eyeliner after drawing this. Oh my gosh, I'm a genius. Okay? This little Pikachu. Then, we are gonna go ahead in with... Next, I'm thinking I'm gonna go ahead and put some of the I Love You Mochi powder on the Pikachu. So just kind of fill in like little spots like his tail and stuff. So like, pat, pat. So he looks a little golden. Just fill him in with some of the eyeshadow. Okay. Then for his ears, I'm gonna go in with some more of the golden chocolate gold. Just gonna dip in there and fill in his ears. So he looks like a little golden Pikachu. Next, on this side of my face, I'm gonna take the eyeliner and make kind of a tail like his. So kind of like a lightning bolt tail. As you can see, I did it very sloppily, but it still looks really cute. And we're gonna go ahead and fill that in. Now, it's time for the lips. So, I know Pikachu. See, I don't have any yellow lipstick, because most people don't. But I do have... Let's go ahead and just put on a pink. This pink lip gloss by Too Faced. This is definitely one of my favorites. I'm gonna go in and... Yes! Does that even match? It's kind of cute, actually. Okay, now, for the final touch, I'm gonna go ahead and get some of this. Do I have any gold highlighter? Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Okay, we have this Sunshine highlighter by Anastasia. I'm gonna go in with that and just kind of put it all over. There we go. And you have it. Anyway, guys, thanks for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. I hope you like this Pikachu makeup look. Kind of a fail, kind of not. I don't know. Tell me what you think in the comments. And I will see you all later. So until then, I love you guys. Be kawaii, be cute. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!